Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw Godzilla mixed with Chainsaw Man. So let's get started. It's gonna be Godzilla side view right here with that chainsaw coming out. So let's get started, okay? It's gonna be simple, okay? So if you're a beginner, follow all the way through, and you're gonna get, gonna memorize it. So let's do it. Gonna go over here, line up right here for kind of the brow of Godzilla. Pulling back over here. Along Godzilla's top of Godzilla's head. Curve right here. It's gonna go down Godzilla's back right there. Okay. We're gonna pull a line from here out. Work on the snout area. Down right there. Curve. Line back. It's kind of like a box right here on the top portion of his mouth. Line out. Right there, it's gonna have his mouth open. Down right here. Curve line down. To the bottom part of his mouth. Pull up. Down. Curve. Line. Underneath for the lower part of the neck. Down over here for his neck that gets pretty big right there. Curve for the chest area. Down here. Okay. Don't forget, by the way, hit the subscribe, click the bell notification if you want to learn how to draw anything. I'll be doing a lot of different stuff on the channel, so definitely subscribe. There is no downside to subscribing. Curve line over here. Out. Out here for the side view of Godzilla. Line dot right there for the nostril. Right over here. For some spikes. Sorry, for some, teeth right there as well. Let's put a little bit of a darker shape around the eye. I just want it to kind of stand out more. Pulling back over here, cheekbone. Line up. Curve. Line over here. Line over here. Alright, we're going to pull a line down right here, kind of the side there. Kind of the side of the neck, he has this big old line. Spike, spike, spike. Double spike. Kind of triple spike. Think of the spikes like mountains. Right? Curve right here, from underneath right there. Line, line, line. Curve over here. Curve over here. Line, 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 line. Line over here. Line over here. Kind of like a shortcut right there for kind of like a pattern. Like you put the checkerboard pattern for shortcuts, kind of basically to kind of replicate scales. Forgive me. And then on the face right here, you can do the same thing. You can do these little curves, little under curves, which represent those smaller scales right there, like the bumps. You can kind of put them all over the place if you want. Same thing on the arm. You do the checkerboard pattern. Let's get into the actual face now, right? So the face is really important, and you really want to kind of like remember that part. So right here, we're going to draw a line out. Curve around the corner over there. We're going to pull back. There for that chainsaw shape sticking out. Gonna do another inner line right here, kind of thinner, kind of for the inside of that. Alright, and you can draw little lines for the actual chain itself. Alright, you get that chainsaw sticking out, and you can draw little thin, keep it thin, like scratchy lines, right? Like it's been used. And then what we're gonna do here is we're gonna draw like a spike right there, and just kind of space it out, these triangles. Line, line. Line. Kind of another row of spikes, kind of aiming a little bit left. So in between these spikes is another smaller set of spikes to really give it that look. Give a thumbs up if you are a fan of Godzilla or Chainsaw Man. Gonna go over here now to the actual kind of, I want it to look like it's moving, so I'm gonna go curve, 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 maybe curve, curve over here, curve, curve over here. And maybe give it a little bit of dark right here behind the neck to give it a little bit of grounding. You want to give the drawing a little bit of grounding, to kind of like that. Like so. Line up. Down over here. Line, line, line. Like so. And that's pretty much it. That's kind of Godzilla mixed with Chainsaw Man. And if you want to add more detail, add it to the spiked area over here. Alrighty, that is it. Hopefully you had a good time. Don't forget, check out the free goodies right there in the links below. There's a link for how to draw a human head, like a kind of a cool format. You can kind of draw from it. Go check that out, 100% free. So go click the link in the bio. Go take a look at that. And that is it. I want to thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. I want you to reach out, say hi, say what's up. If you say hi in the comments section, I will say hi back. Okay? Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Talk to you later.